Welcome back, crypto pioneers. Today's episode is packed with groundbreaking updates on XRP. With the SEC appeal deadline around the corner, plus new court developments and a pending presidential election that could shake things up, XRP's future is about to be rewritten. The stakes have never been higher, so stay tuned as we break it all down. You're watching Gold Rush Crypto Daily, your go-to source for the latest in crypto insights and developments. If you're ready to dive deep into what's next for XRP, Ripple, and how the upcoming US election could influence the entire crypto market, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and give this video a like. It really helps keep the crypto conversation going. Will the SEC appeal impact XRP's position in the US? Could a Trump victory mean changes at the SEC that would favor Ripple? Stick around because we're covering everything you need to know, from court updates to how macroeconomic trends are driving market movement, and even a major BTC spot inflow we can't ignore. XRP's roller coaster. The crucial 55 cents level. Yesterday, XRP took a slight dip, pulling back by 1.02% to around $0.5224, ending its recent 4-day winning streak. Currently, all eyes are on the 55 cents level, a psychological and technical threshold for XRP. Why does this matter? For XRP holders and the market overall, surpassing 55 cents could set the stage for a breakout. But if it dips below 50 cents, investor sentiment could be tested, especially with so much at stake in Ripple's legal battle with the SEC. Honestly, this 55 cents level is almost like the gateway for what's to come for XRP. It's not just about the numbers, it's about what XRP represents in the broader crypto landscape. With investors watching so closely, any movement around this level could influence sentiment and future price action. I'd say this is one of the most pivotal points we've seen in recent years. SEC versus Ripple. Settlement rumors and appeal updates. In recent days, Judge Phyllis Hamilton acknowledged the ongoing case between Ripple Labs and the SEC, requesting the possibility of voluntary dismissal without prejudice for some claims, meaning there could be a scenario where claims are dropped but can be brought back later if needed. This gesture from the court has stirred up chatter about a possible settlement, which would undeniably shift the dynamics. The crucial takeaway here? If Ripple and the SEC find a way to settle, it could ease regulatory concerns across the crypto market. However, the SEC's primary issue, whether programmatic sales of XRP constitute a securities transaction, still stands. Remember, if the appeal deadline in January results in a win for the SEC, U.S. exchanges could be forced to delist XRP, affecting liquidity and market interest in the coin. The settlement rumors are intriguing. In the broader crypto ecosystem, a settlement could be a landmark moment, giving Ripple and XRP a new lease on life. On the flip side, a hardline appeal win for the SEC would set a challenging precedent, especially for projects that rely on programmatic sales to fund innovation. It's a high-stakes game. U.S. presidential election. How Trump's return could impact XRP. Here's where it gets political and interesting. With the SEC chair, Gary Gensler, viewed by some as having taken an aggressive stance on crypto regulation, a Trump victory in the upcoming election could spell massive changes. Remember, Trump has publicly stated that he would remove Gensler if re-elected. This alone could reignite speculative interest in XRP and the broader crypto market, particularly if the SEC's enforcement approach shifts. Why does this matter for XRP? If Trump wins and follows through with his plans, XRP could see significant adoption as regulatory uncertainty eases. The potential for a less strict SEC would be welcomed by exchanges, encouraging them to retain and even promote XRP trading. While we can't predict politics, it's fair to say that leadership shifts often lead to regulatory changes. If Trump returns, the SEC's stance on Ripple could loosen, and XRP may find a friendlier landscape. But we shouldn't overlook that this would take time, so patience would be key for investors looking to capitalize on this. Bitcoin dips on strong U.S. labor market data. Why it matters for XRP. On Wednesday, Bitcoin joined XRP in its downward trend, missing the $73,000 mark. This drop came after labor data showed unexpected job growth, implying that the Fed might hesitate on cutting rates. For XRP and the crypto market, interest rate changes impact investor sentiment, as higher rates generally discourage riskier assets like crypto. Yet, inflows into BTC spot ETFs have continued, showing that investor interest remains strong. Recent net inflows of $870.1 million signal a serious appetite for Bitcoin. This could spell good news for XRP in the sense that crypto interest is robust and potentially here to stay, irrespective of immediate price fluctuations. It's fascinating to see how macroeconomic data like labor stats can impact crypto. The job market affects inflation expectations, which in turn drives Fed rate speculation. For XRP, though indirectly affected, these broader economic shifts remind us that the digital asset market doesn't operate in a vacuum. It's interconnected, and we have to pay attention to the signals. US BTC spot ETF market, an uptick that can't be ignored. On October 29, spot BTC ETFs in the US saw a record-breaking influx of $870.1 million. This surge in BTC spot ETF investment reveals an appetite that reflects bullish sentiment despite the macro uncertainties. October's nearly $4.5 billion in BTC inflows marks the largest since March, showing that demand for crypto-backed assets remains robust. With these inflows supporting BTC's climb to $73,000, there's also indirect benefit to altcoins, including XRP. The thriving BTC spot market strengthens the foundation for the entire market, and altcoin projects benefit from a healthy influx of liquidity into crypto. This is a strong indication that BTC spot ETFs are creating a foundational shift in how traditional investors engage with digital assets. As this demand scales, the ripple effect on the entire market, including XRP, shouldn't be underestimated. It's all about building a strong base for future adoption. Before we wrap up, if you've enjoyed this breakdown of XRP and want to stay on top of all the latest crypto developments, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Share your thoughts on the SEC case, Trump's potential impact, and BTC inflows in the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through XRP's latest developments. Whether it's the SEC's next move, market influencing U.S. economic data, or potential presidential changes, these factors could dramatically shift the crypto landscape. Keep watching, keep learning, and stay tuned for more updates right here on Gold Rush Crypto Daily. Check out our other videos for more on the latest crypto trends. Disclaimer: this information is meant for educational and informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.